Hey guys, what I got here today, I finally got it in. The 0304 Mustang Cobra rear bumper from Fiberglass Specialties. That's Fiberglass Specialties. They are in Boulder City, Nevada. Now this place right here, they sell assortments of different kinds of things. Body kits for your Bullet, your GT Mustang, your Cobra Mustang. Well, what I bought is the 0304 Cobra rear bumper. It's shaved. It's also shaved on the side of the marker lights, so it doesn't have a Cobra sign. It also doesn't have the marker lights. So this is gonna be my unboxing video. I just got it off the semi, and we're gonna open it together and see what's in here. So. Actually, it wasn't very hard to open. Alright, I can see right away I just got a few little things here. Alright, there it is. 03 Cobra bumper. So I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off so we can see exactly what it looks like. Alright, there it is, the 0304 Cobra bumper from Fiberglass Specialties. As you see, the side markers, they've been shaved. And also the Cobra lettering that would have been here has been shaved. It is fiberglass, so if you want to run the dual tip exhaust here, you could easily cut the fiberglass out rather than the urethane bumpers. It'll look tacky and you can easily clean it up. But it's a real nice bumper. You can hook all your mounting hardware up off your factory bumper and easily mount it. Alright guys, well, if you notice right here, we've got our project car, we've got our 03 Cobra bumper. I'm going to sit it up to the car. I've not got my fasteners put in yet. We're going to see exactly how well it looks on the car and how well it lines up with the body. So here we go. That's the other on that side. Now you also have to understand, I don't have my metal piece in here yet to hold it to the car. So I'm just kind of doing this, trying to hold it up the best I can. Alright. Okay. It's not pushed up against it all the way, but as you can see, it sits on there quite nice. There is a gap right here, this gap right here. The bumper's got to go forward, so that'll fix that gap there. And the bumper looks real nice on the car, actually. It looks good. This side right here, it fits up very well too. So I'm pretty impressed with it. So there it is. Of course, it's fell down now, but the bumper fits pretty nice. It is going to need just a little bit of body work just to smooth up some areas, you know, where they've shaved the markers. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with it. I mean, I looked everywhere to find the OEM Cobra bumper, couldn't find one nowhere. These guys right here had this available, So I went ahead and I grabbed it up. But thanks guys, appreciate you watching my channel, and don't forget to subscribe for some more updates.